Today we're touring a 3-bedroom home in Bandon with over $50,000 in recent updates, multiple living spaces, and a fully fenced yard, all at the end of a cul-de-sac. Built in 1994, the home offers 1,796 square feet and sits on nearly a quarter acre on a city lot at the end of a cul-de-sac. Driveway parking allows room for multiple vehicles, along with an additional parking space for an RV, boat, or trailer. Before entering, there's a covered, glass-enclosed front porch that adds usable space and protection from the elements. Right off the entry, there's a coat closet and a half bath. The main living area features vaulted wood ceilings and updated windows. There's a sliding barn door that separates the living room from the kitchen when needed. The kitchen includes granite countertops, a large island, stainless steel appliances, and extensive cabinetry. An eating area sits beside a sliding door that opens directly to the backyard. Right off the kitchen, there's a second living area that gives you flexibility for a family room, office, or a bonus space. Let's head upstairs. The primary bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom with a marble double sink vanity and shower. The 2 additional bedrooms and full guest bath complete the upper level. The backyard is fully fenced and includes a flagstone patio and a covered side patio. If you're looking for a place in Bandon with updated living spaces, RV parking, and a fully fenced yard, this one's worth a closer look. If you'd like more information or would like to schedule a showing, use the link in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to watch our new video every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.